Hello, welcome to this month's demonstration video for Smile, Create, Repeat. We're going to be doing this drawing using some brush pens. Let's get started. Alright, we have our drawing done. I'm going to be using these pens, brush markers, double-sided tips, and we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and ink this pencil drawing. And we'll see what it looks like. So you can see I'm trying to do a variation in weight with the lines, thick and thin lines. The thicker lines are where it would be darker. Yeah, that's it, really. And maybe some movement here. Okay. And every line doesn't need to connect. It doesn't need to complete the, everything doesn't need to be finished. The line was a little thicker than I wanted, but that's all right. And I don't know what I'm going to do with colors, so I'm just seeing what I got. Oop, I stepped that one. So that'll be the neck. There, let's get that cap out of the way. I do like inking with a brush, a dip pen, and these brush pens. And this is nice. This one is a dual tip, so I can go in and do circles a little easier because of that, which we thought you'd like. And we're gonna, I think I'll do the tongue pink. And let's see what else we got here. The arm. And her feet. And what color am I going to make those shoes? So I'll make, I guess I'm going to make the skirt blue lines also. And these are neat pens. Have a bunch of different brands we're using here, but I think they're all water-based. So if you have a watercolor brush or just water and brush, you'll be able to create some neat effects using the water to make some washes. This is a fine liner pen, and I'm using it, making the lines a little thicker. And then what else should we do with this? Maybe she has, oh, she has another pencil in this hand, so we'll take care of that. I don't think that lines up. Nope. Yeah, that looks all right. Great. And then what else we got? So I don't have all the same colors. That's okay. But I think we are going to give her pink shoes because my youngest, she had little bright red shoes. We called her Dorothy shoes. She loved The Wizard of Oz. And this one I'm actually just coloring in. And she was so cute. She had them, then she grew out of them, and then we found some more, and now she doesn't have them. Now she's really grown out of them. All right, so I think we're gonna do some more of this with the blue. Let's do her hair. And I think that would be hair back there. And you can see they kind of blend. Oh, I almost went over her ear. That's all because the rest is under the hair, right? So let's see. So this was, I did some of this to keep some light on there, but there's no light back here, except for maybe right along the edge, right? And some of these, there's some light colors. All the color, if you have a light, if you have one of the light colors, these are nice because this is kind of a middle light, but I'm going to try to do some swooshes here. And I'm going to do it a little finer. And as you can see, as you go over it, it gets darker. So even if you have the light ones, or a light marker, a lot of them you can build up the value by just going over it. So that's kind of neat. And we could even go in here and let's make, so see how many colors we have now, because we can go in with this pen and go back over that. So now you have the blue, dark blue, and even a darker blue because we added gray to it. So we'll probably do that with the pink. I'm going to leave the edge of it okay. And this shirt, oh, what are we going to do? We got to do, I think we're going to use the fine line. Oh, let's use the gray point. Dual tip there. Oh, we got to add pink inside there too. Oh, that was on dual-sided. Oh, still doing that. So we'll do all the colors that we're using on here. Okay. And now I think the skirt, I'm gonna add some, this will be fun. I'm gonna add some blue brush strokes to show the waviness of the skirt. But I'm not going to color it in. Instead, I'm going to use this lighter, this gray, so if you have a light color, on the white, I'm just going to do a little bit so it'll kind of look like maybe it's shadow. And maybe this is a white dress or skirt. And the blue is from the bright blue sky. And this is just some shadow that's, it just has some value, and to try to show a little more dynamic swoosh. And this swoosh, these lines mimic those, so maybe that makes the illustration a little more exciting. Oh, let's do the pink tongue. Okay, and then we'll do the gray on this part of the pencil. And we'll do this gray. And down here too. I think I'm going to do dark blue, my dark color, for the, and I'm going right over the green. And this is just to show you, you can ink, and you could have inked, I could have inked this all with one color and then maybe colored it in. But I think having the different colored lines is just, well, a different way of drawing and inking, to give you an example of something else you can do, and a different way of doing it. And then layering the different colors will give you different colors. So that's exciting too. And I'm just going to put a little gray just to show the different sides of that pencil. And then I think we should put maybe a shadow right here. And what are we going to do? We'll do it from here, so it's a little behind her, to about there. And I'm leaving a little white between the shadow and her shoe, because I think that's something I've seen before and I want to see what it looks like. There we go. So, there she is. She's an excited little girl. She has her art supplies. She's ready to color and make some drawings. So, hope you like that using these brush pens. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you like the channel so I know to keep making these for you. And remember to smile, create, repeat.